Hi, I have been using Evernote for the past many years, and this is one of the highly recommended apps that I would like to share with everyone who are watching this. Because in order to keep yourself well organized and being productive, Evernote is a fantastic tool that you should have inside your computer. Well, there are in fact of many type of note-taking apps available out there, whether you are using it on your phone or whether you are using it via a computers. Evernote is probably one of the best, simplest, easy to use apps that I appreciate a lot, which has been using Evernote for the past several years. Here you can see I use Evernote for all sorts of reasons. I keep my personal notes and research data, whatever article I find interesting, and I all keep it over here. I also use Evernote as my weekly planner because I do have a habit to write down my bi-weekly goal. So whatever things that I intend to accomplish for the next 2 weeks, I will just use Evernote to write it down, and I do a review checking whatever tasks that I have completed, whatever tasks that I have not completed, to bring it forward to the next following weeks. So let me just show you very quickly how you can use Evernote to your best advantage, whether you are using it for your personal note-taking or even though you are doing it for business-related reason. In order for you to begin using the apps, you need to first sign in with a username and password, and after that, you can download Evernote apps to your MacBook or to the Windows format to your smartphone devices and any tablet devices. This is pretty powerful because it get all your data, information, notes sync across all devices almost like immediately. And you will drop by to evernote.com, and should you need help for a certified Evernote consultant to help you figure out how Evernote could help you better, in fact, you can come to the website and just scroll down below here. Then you can see certified consultant, and you click on certified consultant, and this is where you can find a consultant nearby you. So in my case, I am from Malaysia, and for your information, I am one of the 10 consultants available in Malaysia should you need further help on explanation. Right, so let's get back to Evernote. So first of all, you need to eventually log into an Evernote account, which require you a username and password. And after that, you can, like me, just to go and download the Evernote apps into my MacBook. Then after that, you can use Evernote from your MacBook. So it's just like any note-taking apps. It's pretty straightforward and simple to use. Whenever you want to add a new note, you just click add a new note, and the Evernote basically allow you to key in all kind of formats of note-taking that you want. You can enter by text, or you can enter any PDF file, PowerPoint, Excel file, or enter any photo, picture, even though voice messages into your note. So it is really convenient. Then the second step is you may want to stack up your notes into a particular notebooks. So this is all my available notebooks that you store your notes into a particular notebook for easy reference and finding. And one of the very powerful Evernote apps is the Evernote search function. Let me just give you a very quick example. If you type in the word marketing, if I want to search on the keywords of marketing, you just key in, you just have to log in into the search bar, and when you type on marketing, any notes related with the keywords marketing will show up. Not only it will show up at the text format over here, but it will also show up on the graphic format. So as this example, I do have a image, we have the words marketing. So Evernote can eventually search even though the words are attached on an image. So this makes Evernote is a really powerful search engine. So whatever material that you have included, system will have a very strong recognition on all these keywords. So it is very powerful when you come to search all your data or information that you have saved inside Evernote. If you are not familiar with Evernote, you can always come to evernote.com, the website, and over here they will show you many available templates to help you figure out how you can use Evernote to your best advantage. And over here, you can search from the feature button and click on template. And for your information, Evernote do provide all sort of available template that allow you to use it very effectively. For example, if you are planning on a travel plan, you can just click on the travel, and it will bring you to the travel available template. So all you need to do actually is to click on the template, and then the proper template will basically show up for you. That is this something that you can help you very quickly. All you need to do actually is to click the save template, and this template will automatically save into your Evernote account. You can further key in and amend the content to your best interest. So they have all sorts. They have inclusive of meeting agenda, how do you going to write a meeting agenda and whatnot. So over here, the Evernote do provide you with many different type of available template, and for you to choose for whether you are using it for your personal purpose or business related purpose. Evernote do have a fantastic Google Chrome plugin that you can download and install to your Google Chrome. And for example, if I'm like reading this article and I found this article really interesting and I like to save this content of this article into my Evernote, all I need to do is to click into this green elephant Evernote icon, and it will automatically load the web clipper, and I can highlight on this portion. These are the area that I want to save this portion of notes into my Evernote account. All I need to do actually is to click save clip, and this will automatically go into my notes account, and I can organize this note using which notebook that I want to put into. So it is a very powerful feature that you can use Evernote together with your Google Chrome. You can save all your internet reading into your Evernote with just 2 clicks of buttons.